Bigyan natin ngayon ng reaction opinion itong post ng ABS-CBN News 1 hour ago. Ito. Senator Pia, various groups reject Dave Gomez as PCO chief over tobacco industry ties. Okay. So, ito yung article ng tungkol sa yan. Tungkol dyan, Pia Cayetano objects to Gomez as PCO chief over tobacco industry ties. Okay, by Myla Aguer, reporter. So bakit tinututulan ni Pia Gomez at mga various groups? Dahil itong si Dave Gomez pala, dating konektado sa isang multinational tobacco company, siyang communications director. Basahin ko ha. Senator Pia Cayetano has joined health and child rights advocates in opposing the appointment of new PCO Secretary Dave Gomez due to his ties to the tobacco industry. So, bago siya na-appoint, si Gomez, communications director ng multinational tobacco company. Okay. So, ito yung statement ni Senator Pia. Appointing someone with long-standing ties to the tobacco industry to a top communications post sends the wrong message, especially to our youth who remain the most vulnerable to the harmful influence of tobacco and vape products. Sabi niya, naglabas po ng statement si Senator Cayetano. Dagdag pa niya, a person holding such a high-level position should have the independence to call out industries that act in ways harmful to our people. How can this be done if he has ties with the very industry in question? Okay. Paninigarilyo. Smoking is dangerous to our health. Diba? Nakalagay sa mga pakete. Kahit saan mo tingnan ang gulo, aminado ang lahat na nakakasira sa kalusugan ang sigarilyo. So, tama lang itong ginagawa ni na Senator Pia Cayetano and various health groups na i-oppose kasi konektado siya dati. So, hindi siya malaya na sa pag-send ng message ba tungkol sa epekto ng kalusugan sa kabataan ang paninigarilyo. So, I agree. Okay, dagdag pa niya, we've worked hard, sabi ni Senator Pia, we have worked hard to build policies that protect the health of every Filipino family. These gains must not be reversed by decisions that open the door to industry interference or worse, normalize it. Let us never forget, we are duty-bound to protect the next generation. That begins with keeping our institutions free from the influence of industries that profit from harm. Ito na, yung mga various groups na kumukontra, daming kumukontra, I think siyam. Bilangin natin ha. Medical Action Group, number 1. Child Rights Network, Psoriasis Philippines, number 3. Healthy Philippines Alliance, number 4. HPA Youth Network, 5 na. Social Watch Philippines, 6. Philippines Alliance of Patient Organizations, 7. Youth for Mental Health Coalition, 8. Philippine Legislators Committee on Population and Development Foundation, 9. and Health Justice Philippines. 10. Ang dami. They warned, these groups yung 10 grupo, they warned that placing him, meaning si Gomez, at the helm of government messaging undermines the very principles of public service. Okay, dagdag pa ng grupo. It risks turning the government voice into a vehicle for industry influence, weakening hard-won gains in tobacco control and public health, sabi ng grupo. The group then called in the Commission on Appointments to reject Gomez appointment. Gomez declined to comment when inquirer sought his side. Ka-appoint pa lang, palpak na, ang dami ng bumabatikos. Ano ba yan? So, ito, dahil ang dami yung grupo na yan, pati senador, palagay ko, mahihirapan si PCO Secretary Dave Gomez na makakuha ng confirmation sa Commission on Appointment. Nasubukan ko yan nung nag-appear kami sa Commission on Appointments nung na-promote ako na general. May isa kaming kasamahan. May nag-object. Medyo na-delay kami. Na-delay yung buong grupo namin dahil may nag-object sa kasamahan namin eh. Basta ganyan, kung may magreklamo. Ang ginawa na lang ata, napakiusapan, sineparate na lang yung kasama namin. So kami, tuloy-tuloy na kami. Muntik pa kaming madamay kasi grupo kami. So, yung pinalitan, J. Ruiz, hindi po sa Commission on Appointments. Kaya ni-reappoint. After reappointing, bigla, sinipa, kahit transfer sa isang opisina, Board of Director ng MECO, sa Taiwan ata itong MECO, so para hindi masabing siniba, so nag-appoint ng panibago, Dave Gomez, only to find out, kauupo pa lang niya, ang dami nang nagre-reklamo. So, refuse to comment. So, tingnan natin ito. Follow upin natin itong anggulo na ito. Anong masasabi ng bagong PCO chief.